Hi viewers, welcome to our YouTube video on flower pot painting, where we invite you to embark on a journey of artistic expression and create one of a kind masterpieces for your flower companions. Flower pot painting is a delightful way to infuse personality, color, and uniqueness into your garden or indoor space. In this video, we will guide you through the process of flower pot painting, inspiring you to unleash your creativity and watch your pot bloom with beauty. Number 1. Preparing your pots. Learn the proper step to prepare your flower pots for painting. Ensure they are clean and dry, free from dirt or debris. If necessary, sand any rough surfaces to create a smooth canvas for your artistic endeavors. Number 2. Selecting the perfect paint. Discover different types of paint suitable for flower pot painting, such as acrylic or outdoor craft paint. Consider vibrant colors that complement your flower choices and the overall aesthetic you wish to achieve. Remember, the possibilities are endless. Number 3. Unleashing your creativity. Explore various painting techniques to add texture and depth to your pots, from simple brush strokes to stenciling, splattering, or even creating intricate designs. Let your imagination run wild. Incorporate patterns, floral motifs, or abstract shapes to truly make your pots stand out. Number 4. Protecting your artwork. Understanding the significance of applying sealant or clear coat to protect your paint pots from fading, chipping, or weather damage. Select sealants suitable for outdoor use to ensure your artwork withstands the elements and remains vibrant over time. Number 5. Showcasing your masterpieces. Explore creativity way to display your painted pots. Consider grouping pots in varying sizes and heights, or even create them arrangements. Choose plants that complement your painted pots and execute their colors and patterns. Flower pot painting allows you to infuse your garden or indoor space with your unique artistic flair. With the right paint selection, painting techniques, sealants, and imaginative designs, your flower pots will become captivating work of art that enhance the beauty of your plants. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more flower pot painting inspiration and tips. Thank you for watching.